Hi, I'm Sarah with Hatch Property Management and Sales, and today we're talking about ants.
Uh-oh.
I know it is like that time of the year when all of the ants come out in the spring and the weather starts getting warm, and guess what? As a tenant, the pest control is a tenant responsibility. So you may be in a house lucky enough to have a quarterly pest control or monthly pest control that the owner pays for, but the majority of our houses, actually it's the tenant responsibility. So what we recommend all of our tenants to buy is taro ant baits. So this one is an interior one, and this one would be something that you would put on the exterior of your house. So I just wanted to teach you guys, basically, this is like the best that I've found for the Northern Virginia, DC area as far as ant bait goes. This actually like kills the colony. So the ants will eat, go back, take it to their colony, and then kill the whole colony so that they don't come back again in this year. So one of the common places that you find ants is in the kitchen, because they're always looking for a food supply. So with the ant baits, it kind of looks like this. This is the interior one. It has like a gel inside of it. And so what you would do is you would cut this top off right here or twist, and then you would leave it on the countertop like this. Just leave it there, don't touch it. It will attract the ants. The ants will eat it, take it back to their colony, and kill everybody. So this is the exterior one. So this one has, you can see like little steps of the gel inside. Again, you would twist this top and you would put this stake in the ground, usually just outside of a door, window, wherever you see the ants coming into the house. This is effective for killing the ants on the outside, while these are effective for killing the ones on the inside. And the ants will nibble and take it back to all their friends. And bye-bye ants.
Bye.
So anyways, that is my tip for how to remove ants. And at this time of year, like I said, there are so many in this area, so you can't really avoid it. But anyways, if you have any questions, please call our office at 703-966-2232. Thanks so much for watching.